In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wavelet app on Android. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will take you to the store where you can browse and download a variety of apps. This step is essential because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android. You can trust that the apps you find here are safe and secure. Once you have the Play Store open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, search for Wavelet Headphone Equalizer. There is a search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. Simply tap on it and type in Wavelet Tokens Name Headphone Equalizer. Be sure to spell it correctly to find the app quickly. As you type, you might notice suggestions popping up below the search bar, which can help you find the app even faster. This step is crucial as it ensures you are looking for the correct application that will provide you with the audio equalizer features you need. After you enter your search, you should see a list of results. Now tap the app developed by Piet van de Wit. This is the official version of the app that you want. When you find it in the search results, look for the name and the developer's name below it. This information helps confirm that you are selecting the right app. Choosing the correct app is important to ensure you have access to the features and updates from the legitimate developer. Once you tap on the app, you will be taken to its dedicated page in the Play Store. Next, tap Install. You will see an Install button on the app page. This action begins the download and installation process for the app on your device. As you tap the button, you may see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is vital because it allows you to access the app and its features once the installation is complete. Wait patiently as the installation progresses, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After that, wait for the installation to complete. You will know it is finished when the install button changes to an open button. This indicates that the app is now ready for use. Patience is key here, as it ensures that all components of the app are correctly installed. You will see a confirmation appear when the installation is successful. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action launches the Wavelet app, allowing you to start exploring its features right away. When you tap Open, the app will load, and you may notice its welcoming interface. This initial step is exciting as it signifies that you are ready to enhance your audio experience. Now grant the requested audio permissions, then connect your wired or Bluetooth headphones to start using Wavelet's equalizer features. When you first open the app, it will ask for certain permissions to access your audio settings. Granting these permissions is important because it allows Wavelet to function properly and tailor your audio settings. After you have granted permissions, connect your headphones, whether wired or Bluetooth. This connection is essential for the app to apply its audio enhancements effectively. By following these steps, you have successfully downloaded and set up the Wavelet app on your Android device. Enjoy customizing your audio experience with the powerful equalizer features that Wavelet offers.